In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FlutterFlow version history. If you've ever made changes to a FlutterFlow project and wanted to go back to an earlier version, the version history feature is exactly what you need. It helps you review previous saves, check older states of your project, and restore a version if something needs to be rolled back. To get started, open FlutterFlow and go into the project you want to work with. Make sure you're inside the correct project before moving on, since version history is tied to the specific app you currently have open. Once the project loads, look over to the left-hand toolbar. On that toolbar, click the project history icon, which looks like a clock with an arrow. This opens the history panel, where FlutterFlow keeps track of project changes and saved states. This is the main area you'll use to review earlier versions of your app. At the top of that panel, click the Snapshots tab. The Snapshots section is where you can view the automatic saves that FlutterFlow has created over time. These are especially useful when you need to find a version from earlier in the day or from a point before a major change was made. Once you're in the Snapshots tab, scroll through the chronological list of automatic saves. The list is organized by time, so you can move backward through your project history and locate the version that looks most relevant. Take your time here, especially if you've made a lot of updates recently. It helps to think about roughly when the project was in the state you want to revisit. When you find a snapshot you want to inspect more closely, click Peek next to it. This opens that snapshot safely in a new browser tab, which is helpful because you can review it without affecting your active project. This is a great habit to follow before restoring anything, since it gives you a chance to confirm that you've selected the right version. If you decide that a snapshot is the version you want to return to, go back and click Restore on that snapshot. This rolls your active project back to that earlier state. Because restoring changes your current project to match that version, it's a good idea to be absolutely sure before you confirm. Using Peek first can help prevent mistakes. That's how to use FlutterFlow version history to review snapshots and restore an earlier version of your project. It's a simple but powerful feature that can save you time and help you recover quickly when changes don't go as planned.